Welcome back to the Data Analyst. Today we are diving into another fascinating topic in time series analysis, the double moving average. This technique helps us smooth out fluctuation in data and can improve our ability to detect trends over time. I'll guide you through the concept, why it's useful, and a step-by-step calculation example to make things clear. Let's start with the basics. You may be familiar with the simple moving average where we can average of data point over a specific number of time period. But sometimes a simple moving average isn't enough to smooth out more complex pattern. That's where the double moving average comes in. If you are not familiar with simple moving average, then go and watch this video. I will attach video link into the description box. The double moving average is essentially a moving average of a moving average. By applying a second layer of averaging, we can smooth the data even further, reducing short-term fluctuations and enhancing the trends. The double moving average is especially useful when the data has a lot of noise or variability. It is a great tool for trend detection in fields like economics, finance, sales forecasting, and even weather predictions. A simple moving average might still leave some short-term variation, making it hard to identify a consistent trend. But with a double moving average, these short-term changes are further smoothed out. Let's jump into the calculation. Imagine we have a monthly sale dataset for a store over 6 months. So January 120, February 135, March 150, April 160, May 155, June 170. We will use a 3-month moving average for simplicity. Let's break it down the steps. This is the time series plot of our sales value. So in here you can see there are some up and down variation in the dataset. To calculate the double moving average, we need to start with the simple moving average. With the 3-month window, let's calculate the 3-month moving averages. So to calculate simple moving average, what you have to do is take sales value for month January, February and March, then add those 3 numbers and divide it by 3. You will get 135. Then again take sales value for February, March and April, then add up those 3 numbers and divide it by 3. You will get 148.33. Now take March value for sale and April and May, then add up those 3 numbers and divide it by 3. You will get 155. Then take again April, May and June value and add up those 3 numbers and divide it by 3. Then you will get 161.67. This is the time series plot of simple moving average. So in here also you can see we have some fluctuations. So we have to correct that. Now we apply a second moving average to these values, again with a 3-month window. Now add up these 3 values and divide it by 3. So 135 plus 148.33 plus 155 divided by 3 equal 146.11. Then again add up these 3 numbers. 148.33 plus 155 plus 161.67 divided by 3 equal 155. So our double moving average for series is 146.11 and 155. This is the time series plot of double moving average. So you can see here we don't have any fluctuations. But remember, this is an example calculation. In real world case scenarios, you cannot get accurate results with 2 data points. So make sure to get more data values to calculate double moving average.